Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn an Indian folk art design which is inspired by Kerala mural. I am doing it on a wooden surface. You can do it on a paper, canvas, cloth, anything you want. If you are not doing on the wooden surface, I'll suggest you to leave 2 centimeter for framing, 2 centimeter for border, and then center part approximately whatever it is, just color it with any light color. So I'm using dark red color and I'm just drawing the outlines first. Before painting this, I coated my wooden tray 3 times with gesso, then 2 times with the base paint, which is teal green in my case. Now this is a square like a diamond. This is a Kerala mural motif, very popular motif. This is drawn in borders also. So it's simple, very simple. One circle, second circle, then just draw 4 petals. First I am turning and making a spiral. This art was used to decorate the walls of temples in Kerala and in Tamil Nadu. So many people call it temple art also. Now coming to main piece, which is a hand. This is the dark green. Back to red paint. This is the outline of center design. So I'll be using this as usual skin tone. This is only the first coat. Once this will dry, then we will have another coat. We'll wait for this paint to dry. In the meantime, we can take baby pink. If you don't have baby pink, just take white and add one drop of red in it, or maybe one drop of purple. Now I'm doing the shading in it. So this shading is a bit different from what we have learned. First we'll give two coats of pink color. When it is wet, that time only we'll use the other color. Make sure outline is visible. Now this is dark pink color, bright तीखा वाला pink जो होता है हमारा. Now I'm going to use the third shade, this one, and we'll just use little bit of this. I'm not giving strokes. Okay, I'm just doing dabbing on the sides. Now I'm going to use with third brush and red color again, and dark red which we use in the beginning, and we'll try to draw the outline. Here comes our mint green, yellow, and this green. So we are going to use three greens. Not washing, I'm just wiping the brush. This is the dark green. Then in between there is yellow, and then mint green. I'm showing the nails with white paint. Again, I'll be using two shades of pink. Now we are coming to bangles. Okay. So in bangles, we are going to use yellow and orange. And also in the hand, there will be shading by yellow, orange, and red. If you cannot do with the brush, please use the pen. Okay, because outline has to be very, very thin. So this is black paint. Let me draw the outline here first, and then I'll fill the colors. I'll use this light green. I'm using golden yellow paint. This is 50 number brush. To wait for this to dry. In the meantime, I'm going to fill. This is baby pink and this is dark pink. Now we are going to start with buds. So I use white instead of baby pink. So two brushes, one with white, one with pink. This color we use to draw the outlines everywhere. This is the mixture of dark red, crimson red. I'm going to do this hand by other method. That is also Kerala mural method, but different style from different artists. This is line method. We'll take this shade, it's one shade darker, and we'll take our very, very thin brush and we'll do a self design everywhere. This is the line method which I'm doing right now. Both methods are followed in Kerala mural. It's up to you which one you want to follow. The color mixing is very, very important in this art. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.